Pradesh's Azamgarh took a swipe at the Congress party on the Citizenship Amendment Act. After the opposition attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party for giving citizenship, Prime Minister Modi said that Congress is against those who are persecuted refugees, and it in fact persecuted refugees for decades and never paid serious attention to their needs. Listen in.
सपा, कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन वालों ने इनके साथ क्या किया? इन्होंने सीएए के नाम पर ऐसा झूठ का पहाड़ खड़ा कर दिया, ऐसा झूठ चलाया। सपा, कांग्रेस जैसे दलों ने यूपी सहित पूरे देश को दंगों की आग में झोंकने का भरपूर प्रयास किया। आज तक ये इंडी गठबंधन वाले कहते हैं कि मोदी ये जो सीएए लाया है ना, जिस दिन मोदी जाएगा ये सीएए भी जाएगा। क्या इस देश में अब कोई माई का लाल पैदा हुआ है जो सीएए को खत्म कर सके?
Now that attack came after the Bharatiya Janata Party delivered its promise of CAA. Amid the ongoing elections, the Home Ministry also issued the first set of citizenship certificates in New Delhi after notification of the Citizenship Amendment rules. 14 individuals physically received the citizenship in Delhi since the Citizenship Amendment Act was passed in 2019. However, the Home Ministry notified Citizenship Amendment rules in 2024 in March this year. Now, Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla handed over the certificates to the applicants, whereas digitally signed certificates were issued to many other applicants through email.
It's again a gimmick of Bharatiya Janata Party. It's already about 5 years now the CAA has been passed, and they're just trying to polarize the elections. And once we come back to power, I think we will withdraw that CAA.
Now, Home Minister Amit Shah too is taking the opposition head on. He's questioning the narrative that they are spreading over CAA. Listen in.
सीएए से नागरिकता देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी। ये ममता बनर्जी दीदी झूठ बोल रही है कि सीएए में जो अर्जी करेंगे उनको तकलीफ आएगी। मैं गारंटी देकर जाता हूं बनगांव वालों, किसी को कोई तकलीफ नहीं आएगी, नागरिकता भी मिलेगी और देश में सम्मान के साथ जी भी पाओगे।
And time for us to slip into a short commercial break.